So this is the plan. Live start charging, and firstly going to look at the grid cars map. Now we filtered it, or I filtered it on the website, but clearly I can see it's not right. So I use the free. The website's not that great. It's quick, but it's not that great. It's not accurate at all. The app is actually different. The filterings of the free charges. So yes, found free at Vrede and Liz, at also Blauklippen and a couple others. Today, going to try and explore. That's the plan. Vrede and Liz on the map. Show you the other map. We're going to drive. So that's we're going to drive. Then, of course, going to show you the website as well. And that's the idea. That's the plan. We can go to Vrede and List. I see a wedding venue. But we're going there for a breakfast, walking around a bit, and I quite like this idea of showing the route here, a golden path we can walk, and hopefully I actually have added some playing areas for the kids as well. I didn't see any here, but really hoping we will be surprised with that as well. Okay, otherwise, hang on, there's going to be some nice raw footage now, and hopefully our plan is going to end up in reality. Okay, so this around 8 o'clock in the morning in the garage, getting ready for our trip. Little one is ready, the car is ready, and hoping to have a fun experience on our way out. And yes, hopefully it's a nice drive to the farm. Okay, this is some stats showing where we're going to drive, the back seat. That's you need to have the cable ready. Of course, we need to have the cable ready because this is going to be a slow AC charger. And in the cable, just opening up. There we go. A nice cable. Okay, so taking it out, looking at the machine, looking at the details, what we're supposed to do. Basically saying we're going to use the app. Well, connect to the both cables, use the app. So it's a BMW Mini one. Vrede and List. And it's plugged in. Let's hopefully ready to go. Actually, the charging looks a bit weird. Hopefully it's going to pick up a bit. Just slow starting to run. Looking very slow for now. A bit erratic. And it's supposed to jump up to 6 kilowatts. So that's the normal. Hopefully it's just settling in. Here we go, 3 kilowatts. That's a bit better. Hopefully it's going to settle on 3 kilowatts. But the 5 hours looks normal. That looks actually like more of a 6 kilowatt. Okay, so we'll see how this will go towards the end. Having a walk around, and already the little one is playing. There's a nice playing area for the little one. There's some tables. We can sit and have a picnic as well. And definitely going to have a walk around on the premises, but at this stage it looks nice. We can spend at least 15 minutes or half an hour here. There in the far we can see the car maybe sticking out, but yes, we can spend here before we walk around the farm. Hey, little one, being cute. Not going down the slide. Come down. Just acting up, playing a bit. We're taking a nice stroll through the gardens. Beautiful mountain background. Getting distracted, not looking at the view. But yes, a beautiful day, beautiful location. Definitely lifestyle charging might be all about this. Just chilling, not losing anything, and getting a little bit of charging for free. So it's already it's worth a while looking at the views. Quite a nice picture here of our car. So yeah, I'm going to get the cable out. I stopped it already. Stopped the charging. But now the problem is it seems to be stuck. As you can see, I can't get it out. So it took a call. Well, first sitting in the sun, fighting with the charger, getting it in and out and in and out. And as you can see, really struggling. It ended up being just being very, very patient. I ended up WhatsApping support, which is always very helpful. But really, the end is you retrack your steps. You open up the app again, you plug it in again. You just try to retrack your steps. But yes, I was lucky to get it unlocked at the end. Easy gave opportunity to have a last chill, waiting for car to unlock everything. The little one is still very happy, and not the worst place to waste time, except it was quite hot outside the shade, so we had to run for the shade. But otherwise, all well that ends well. Yeah, so it's quite a learning curve. It's still fun. We're still very patient. We're still learning. But yes, you can even have things that go wrong where you get stuck and you can't get your cables out. But otherwise, yes, live charging, it's fun. Plan your trips a little bit around the charges and get some electricity for free at the wine farms, paddle courts, etc. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you find it helpful. Please hit the like, subscribe button. Also tell me about your being stuck moments in the comments.